All right, now we're going to angle of elevation. So, a parasailer is attached to a boat. So, let's build our boat. Now I'm building a sailboat. You guys you can't parasail from a sailboat, but that's as far as my artistic skills go. All right, so this person, they are attached to a boat with a rope that is 72 feet long. 72. And there's my person. We'll call them Bob. And we'll call the boat Al, because boats always have names. Most of the time they're named after women, but my boat's named Al for some reason. All right, so the angle of the elevation from the boat to the parasailer is 28 degrees. You guys measure that from the water level, which means that this right here is 28. We want to know how tall or how high up in the air the person is parasailing. So I'm not going to use h because that'll confuse you with hypotenuse. We'll just call it y. So I have theta of 28 degrees, hypotenuse of 72 feet, and I need to find my opposite. So how do I find something that has opposite when I'm given my hypotenuse and my angle? Hopefully you're thinking sine. If you are thinking sine, yes, you are correct. So we have sine of 28 degrees equals our opposite, which we're calling y, over hypotenuse, which is 72. And once again, now that we've set it up, this looks just like the other problems we did. Multiply both sides by 72 to get that fraction to go away. 72 times sine 28 is our y value. That's the height of our dude, Bob. And we've got 33.8 feet in the air. That's how high Bob is in the air from the water level. All right. Hopefully that one wasn't too bad as well. Just make sure to take it one sentence at a time.